Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I've got here today this 2001 Toyota Tacoma pre-runner SR5 for a bunch of inspections, which is supposed to be in pretty good shape because the owner does a lot of maintenance and preventative maintenance. But one of the things which are wrong with it is it has a check engine light. So let's go grab the scanner and let's go see which codes it has. So I already took the scanner and connected it to the vehicle, which you will see right now. So on this, you all remember, it's right there, the connector. And to be able to read and fully connect with the computer, right, you need to put the key in the ignition and turn it in the position on. You don't have to start the engine. And now to link, I will just push this button and let's see what codes are stored in this computer. This is how much time it took, right? You saw it in the real time. Obviously there are codes, so the light for IM readiness, it's completely red, it's not even yellow. And here we have the first result. Now what I forgot to say in beginning, what's the mileage, right? It's a 178.68, something like that. And I'm mentioning that mileage because this is what I keep seeing around this age and this mileage. I could almost tell you what will be here stored right in this without even hooking up this little scanner. Now it says 1, the code number 1 out of 2. Let's see what is the other one, but I will bet you it's the same exact number. So let's go down there. This is the freeze frame and look, 02 out of 02, and it's basically identical. Of course I can go ahead and erase it for the owner, right? Let's see if it will be able to clear it. Erase was successful, right? So back to the DTCs. We have zeros, right? This moved from the code not being present to the yellow, but some of the monitors are still flashing, right? Now let's see if we start it up finally all the way. As you can see, the check engine light is off, right? But here was interruption, so we will link it again. And it will be off, of course. But it's not that the problem is fixed. Most likely this will come back within 3, 4, 5, 6 cycles, right? Which means driving a certain distance and so on. Most likely this problem is present and it will come back. You can see again on the dashboard, it's not back yet, but that's absolutely normal. This code comes back not immediately, right? It will take a few cycles to show up again. Now I will not just go and disconnect this whole unit for the safety reasons. You will first shut it off, right? And now I'm ready to go ahead and disconnect this little scanner. Now why am I filming this for you? Well, I would like to show you that at this age and this mileage, right? Once again, it's 178,000 miles. The vehicle is approximately 18 years old, right? These are just, in general, we can say they run forever, right? This is that famous 3.4 liter V6, the model is 5VZFE, right? Very durable engines, great engines, but this is a maintenance which happens, right? And those check engine lights show up. I could, once again, guess that this is it, P0420, and I even told you that we will see it twice there, right? It's like a very common situation which repeats itself Now, how you deal with it? Well, you have to find out, you have to watch the live data, and you have to find out if your AF sensor and the oxygen sensor are working correctly, right? That's one of the steps. And if they are, then unfortunately, the catalyst is really getting inefficient, it's getting bad, and that will need to be replaced. But I'm saying unfortunately because that's a rather costly repair. The part is really expensive. And of course, that is that I am assuming that everything else is perfect. The MAF sensor, it's clean, right? Engine air filter is clean, and it's, believe it or not, it's not. I already peeked there. It's pretty dirty. The throttle body is clean, right? Also, don't forget 5VZFE requires the special spark plugs, right? Twin tips, in order for it to work perfectly and correctly. So that's assumption, and that needs to be checked that all these things are in order. Therefore, the entire system, including emissions, can work properly. So that was just short video, something interesting for you. I hope you enjoyed it. It gives you some kind of idea what's happening with these cars. Please make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming towards to you about Toyota on this channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.